Like I have a tooth that's missing. So will my jawline change in that respect?
Yes, not jawline, your face will change. Okay, see, let's assume your cheeks are the curtains.
Right.
Your teeth are the walls.
Right.
There is no wall the curtain falls in.
Okay.
That's what happens. So let's assume there are 2 teeth missing on the back.
Right.
Your cheek falls in. You look like a grandma. You've seen those old people who have no teeth?
Right.
What is the essential difference?
So the face looks sucked in.
Yeah. Why is it sucked in?
Okay.
Because your cheeks are filled with muscles.
Right.
They're tight.
Okay.
It's like rubber bands. But it needs support. Otherwise it just collapse.
But will the bone structure also change?
Yes. Your whole reason your jaw exists is to support teeth.
Right.
If there is no teeth, the bone in the jaw, that's called the alveolar bone. That's the part of the bone which supports the tooth. That starts to degrade.
Okay.
So your jaw, your mandible will remain the same.
Right.
The end parts of it. But the top part of it starts to... It's like a muscle you don't use. You don't use that muscle because the bone has no other reason to exist. Unless for the bone.
Okay.
Unless for the tooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
So it'll go.
Is there any procedure in dental, in dentistry that you use which will change the structure of my jaws? Because a lot of people want to aesthetically...
Why are you behind your jaws?
I'm just trying to ask.
What jaws?
I was trying to ask a question. I can't give it.
Why are you behind your jaws?
I took a...
Why are you behind jaws? Let it go.
It's a nice question I asked.
Let it go. Okay, come on.
Okay.